Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Perscitus Solutions Off-Campus is hiring. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role, so they are hiring for 5 different job roles. So the first job role, it is Java developer, and the second thing is the front end web developer, and the third job role, it is mobile application developer, that is for React Native, and the fourth role they are hiring for testing, and the last role, it is for blockchain developer. So these are the 5 different job roles they are hiring for. We shall quickly see the eligibility criteria as well as the skills which are needed for each job roles. So the first job role one, that is Java developer. So the eligibility criteria, it is for B.E Or MCA graduates, and the minimum percentage criteria needed, it is 55%. And the experience, so it is for 2 to 4 years of experience in web development, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and joining, so immediate or it can be 15 days. So the skills needed, so we need to be proficient in Java and also knowledge of its ecosystems, and also knowledge of concurrency patterns in Java, and experience using and developing the plugin for Eclipse or IntelliJ, and you must have experience with Java FX application development and knowledge of Swing as well as code versioning tools such as Git. So these are the skills and the eligibility criteria for the job role 1, that is Java developer. So the next thing is the job role 2 for front end web developer. So the criteria, it is for B.E Or MCA graduates, and the minimum percentage should be 55%, and the experience, so 3 to 4 years of experience so in web development, and the salary or the CTC, it is 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and the joining, so it is immediate of 15 days. So the skills needed, so as they are hiring for the front end developer, you need to have knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well as React.js, and also experience in developing Node.js applications and solid experience on RESTful APIs. And apart from that, you need to have experience in software design patterns, problem solving and troubleshooting skills. So these are the overall skills which are needed for the job role 2, that is for front end web developer. So the next thing is the job role 3 for mobile application developer, that is for React Native. So the criteria, it is for B.E Or BTech and any other equivalent degree, so they are eligible with minimum 55%. Experience is 3 to 4 years of experience, and the salary or the CTC, it is 5 to 6 lakhs per annum, and the joining, so it can be immediate or within 7 to 15 days. So coming to the skills, so you need to have working knowledge of React Native and React.js, and knowledge of iOS app development and knowledge of Android, and you need to have strong problem solving skills as well as strong system design and architecture skills, and also experience in developing SDKs, so it is an added advantage for this particular job role. So these are the overall skills and the criteria for the role 3, that is mobile application developer. And the next thing is the job role 4, it is for testing. So the criteria, it is for B.E Or MCA graduates with minimum 58%, and the experience is for 3 to 4 years of experience, and the salary of the CTC, it is 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, and the joining, so it can be immediate or 15 days or maximum 30 days. So the skills needed, so you need to have knowledge of automation testing using Selenium, and good knowledge of SVN or Jira or web service testing, and also good understanding of software testing lifecycle and various agile methodologies, and also it is good to have knowledge on UFT and experience on Unix based platform, and you need to have knowledge of plugin applications and as well as knowledge of SQL queries. So these are the skills which are needed for role 4, that is for testing. So the last role, that is for blockchain developer. So criteria is for B.E Or MCA graduates, and the experience, it is for 2 to 4 years of experience, and the salary or the CTC, it is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum, and joining, so within 1 month. So the skills needed, so you need to have exposure to RESTful APIs and hands-on exposure to blockchain technologies such as Ethereum, Hyperledger and Ripple, and experience on smart contract and Solidity, as well as development tools for Ethereum. And you need to have knowledge on encryption techniques using blockchain. So these are the skills needed for the role 5, that is blockchain developer. So coming to the application link, first thing is you need to download the application form. So later you just need to start filling your application form, and once it is done you can just submit your application ID to the following mail ID. So this is the application form for the Perscitus solutions. So you need to enter your personal information in the first block, that is you need to enter your full name, your home address, date of birth, then mobile number and your email address, as well as the fresher or experience and the job role you are applying for. So you can apply for multiple job roles based on your skills. And next thing is your education details, so 10th, 12th as well as graduation, and the skills or the project or the internship details. So do mention, like for whichever role you are applying, so do mention the equivalent skills and the current CTC, expected CTC, as well as the notice period. So this is the complete application form. So do fill all the details and you can just send the application. So once it is done you can just send the application form to the mail ID. So based on your skills and all, they are going to invite you for the further rounds. So this is all about the job details and the application link. So the link or the complete details will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.